Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I will show you how to make it so instrument speed is displayed at the status bar on the top on your HONOR X5c Plus. So first open settings by scrolling down from the top right corner and press this little settings button. In settings, scroll down and we're looking for status bar settings. Here it is, notifications and status bar. Click on status bar and here is the option we're looking for, show network speed. Enable it. Now at the top you can see how much network you're using. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HONOR X5c channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.